Wouldn't it be great to display your family's core values for the whole family to see? Hi, I'm Judy Julin, parent and child relationship expert. I help families create balance in their lives. In today's video, I'm creating a family manifesto. That's right, a family manifesto communicates this is who we are as a family. It provides an expression of unity. It shows children they are part of something meaningful. Items you'll need are a flip chart, colored markers, old magazines, glue, scissors, and crayons. Make it fun. Brainstorm together. You can even hold a special family meeting in your pajamas with popcorn. It is more meaningful with everyone involved. Compile everyone's answers, including your children's, using the flip chart. Here are some questions for you to ponder with your family. What words best describe our family? What is important to our family? What does our family believe in? What are some of our favorite family activities? How do we want to treat each other and others? How do we celebrate in our family? What are our strengths as a family? What would you like others to say about our family? Discuss and vote on a single defining statement and place this in the center of your family manifesto. Now, bring it to life with cutout pictures and words focusing on what your family does right. The family mission statement is a simple way to state what your family does right. Now, here's an example. My family is there for each other when we need it the most. Display your manifesto in an easy-to-view place in your home. A written ideal of what your envision is for your family. You and your family can revisit, revise, and reimagine anytime. So go ahead and create a powerful manifesto for your family. Even better, engage your kids to make it a fun bonding activity for the whole family. It is my mission to impact the way we educate and parent our youth in powerful and positive ways. Today, I've shared some thoughts about reimagining education in the home by creating a family manifesto. I hope you've enjoyed the information. Till next time, bye-bye.